My name is Dolores Childers. I have a 7-year-old son and I'm in the military. I've had a couple of procedures with Dr. Wright. It was initially a breast abscess removal, and a year later I came back to her so she could reconstruct my breast. I couldn't do anything in the military because of my breast abscess. I couldn't do physical fitness. I couldn't even raise my arm more than a 90-degree angle.
I have a very long relationship with Dolores. And I also feel her pain because I was in the military. So we're kind of kindred spirits in that. And I guess I almost feel as an officer to an enlisted soldier does, but there's a sort of a protective aspect to that for my relationship with Dolores.
She was very interested in my issue and how long I've been struggling with it. And she was just very professional, very precise, and she doesn't like to waste time. She likes to take care of her patients and the issues as soon as possible. I've had a lot of procedures with Dr. Wright. Initially, it started with a breast abscess removal, and it returned, and she operated on me again, and I was good for a year. So I came back to her so she could reconstruct my breast.
After having treated Dolores multiple times and walking this walk with her for at least 2 years, I'm really happy that she made this step. And it's interesting. I don't know that I would have ever suggested that step to her. I'm glad that she came to it on her own because I think she really, you can see the light in her eyes has come on since she's had this other procedure.
She's always friendly. She always has a smile on her face. She pays attention to all your needs, and at the end, she'll just go over what you discussed so that there's no questions. And even if there was a question, she's always there willing to answer it. Even if it's after you leave your appointment, you can call the office and she's available for you. She makes it a personal issue with you to achieve whatever it is that you want to achieve. I love that I can trust her, that I don't have anything to worry about, and that my needs are met through her.
It's important for me to help people. You have to really go back to why I went into plastic surgery to begin with, and that is to take a breast cancer patient from diagnosis to restoration of their feminine body. And cosmetic surgery only adds into that by helping women who may or may not feel as confident with themselves by returning them to their youthful figure, or to helping them see their body in a more feminine way.
It almost feels like your best friend is taking care of you, whether it's before the procedure, during, or even after.
I see Dolores as someone who can become so much more, but she just needs to take that step forward and know who she is and what she's all about.
I'm actually happy, not only in the inside, but on the outside. She's given me that confidence because I learned to love my body through her, and she's just helped me out so much. I just want to thank you, Dr. Wright, for everything that you've done for me and my family as well. And I'm so glad that there's doctors like you.